Solid advice on how to make money in the stock market. Investing can be the path to financial security, as well as the road to bankruptcy. While luck can play a part in it, you should do your homework and know what you are getting into. Make sure that you go into investing with your eyes wide open. Use the advice from this video to help you make the most of your investments. When picking stocks, find a strategy you enjoy and stick with it. For instance, you may choose to ignore the market's behavior for the most part and focus only on a company's earnings potential. Once you settle on a personal set of rules, you can seek out prominent investors or financial gurus who share your philosophy, and you can learn from them. Aim for investing in stocks from companies that are financially sound and have earning growth that are above the market average. There are over 6,000 publicly traded companies in the United States stock markets, available to choose from. However, applying these criteria reduces your target pool of stocks to just around 200 choices to invest in. Information is vital to having good management and decision-making skills for your stock portfolio. You must be well versed in current marketing information in order to create a plan that doesn't make you to lose everything you have. Be sure you have immediate access to all of the prices of the bonds, funds, and shares. Prior to investing in a stock, you need to understand what a stock is. Otherwise, you could end up making crucial mistakes. A stock, also known as a share, basically entails a part of company. Therefore, when you buy a stock, you are buying a small part of a company. Avoid discount brokers. These brokers lie somewhere between the expertise and advice of full-service brokers and the low prices and fees of online brokers, but do not really offer the advantages of either. It is better to be at the ends of the spectrum to find true value for your time and money. Remember that to be successful in the stock market, you will need more than just luck. There are many people who believe there is no skill needed, and those people are wrong. You need to know what you are doing, and really learn about the stock market before making any investment. Only hire a broker if you know that he or she is trustworthy. Many firms claim to be able to help you conquer the stock market, but most of them are not actually skilled or educated in the trade. The internet can provide thorough reviews of various brokerages. Try your best not to let your emotions get involved when you are dealing with the stock market. Getting obsesses about every little thing can lead to you making very bad decisions. You cannot pull out every time your stocks lose money, and you cannot go all in just because you made a little profit. As already noted, investing can lead you financial security, or it could cause you to lose everything. While being lucky can make the difference, it is knowledge and wise decisions that are the things that you can control. Use the information from this video to be able to make the most informed decisions when investing your hard-earned cash. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthélemy MC.